Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, it is told that a body starts from the rest and it has a velocity versus time relation that is given to us. We have to find its acceleration when it is 2 meters from the origin. So first of all, I am writing the given relation, that is Vt is equal to, this is 4t cube minus 2t. Now we know that this can be written as, that is dx by dt, and this is equals to 4t cube minus 2t. Now if I am differentiate on both sides, so this is integration of dx t, or I can write it that dxt is equal to, this is integration of 4t cube minus 2t into dt. After integration we get, this is t to the power 4 minus t square. So this is the value of position vector, that is xt. Now we can say that we have given the position, that is xt is equal to, this is 2 meter. So we can say that this is t to the power 4 minus t square minus 2 is equals to 0. From here we can find the time, that will comes out to be t is equal to, this is root 2 second. So we can say that at time t is equal to root 2 second, its position is 2 meter. So we have to find the acceleration at this time. So we can say that acceleration is given by, that is rate of change of velocity, that is dv by dt. So we have to differentiate the above relation, that is 4t cube minus 12t, sorry, this is minus 2t. So we can say this will comes out to be 12t square minus 2. Now we put here the time, that is t is equals to root 2 second. So we can say that the acceleration is, this is 12 into root 2 square minus 2. So this will comes out to be 22 meter per second square. So this is the answer of our given question. For that, option B is the correct choice. Thank you.